I'm Mutton Style and welcome to my kitchen for a change. Today I am doing a unboxing of, wait for it, Fabfitfun Winter. Yes, in the UK. Yes, it gets shipped here. So this is the box that I have, because I'm an annual subscriber, I have chosen some of the items. Some of the items in here everyone gets, but I've also done some add-ons. So the add-ons came separately in the big box. I'm just going to show you the add-ons. If you want to know how Fabfitfun works, whether you're in Canada, the US or the UK, I will show you that at the end. And there'll be a video link as well. For now, we're going to get straight into the products. So my add-ons this time, and when I decide to do an add-on is supplementary to the box. You pay extra for it. To me, if there are some products listed as potential add-ons that look like they're good value, you would buy them anyway. You're looking for it and are going to need it, or you can't. In my case, you can't get it in the UK. Then I will. And the price is reasonable. I'll have that as an add-on. So my add-ons, so long ago, I went through the list and selected what I wanted. I've forgotten. So this is going to be exciting. Right, I've laid them all out on the table here. So I'm just going to reach across and go through them. So I see, first of all, I've got a sponge as an add-on. I think it's a face washing sponge. It is by Daily Concepts. Gentle facial sponge, delicately cleanses, exfoliates and balances, regenerates your skin, made from 100% natural and preservative free cognac root. Hope I'm saying that right. Rinse it under warm water, presumably that makes it then soft, I'm guessing. Fly cleanser, or use it alone. I'm interested in trying that. Another add-on I got was the apple cider vinegar cleansing rinse. Oh, interesting. Apple cider for the hair, that's probably why I ordered it. I was thinking I don't need a cleanser. So step down to your natural state with acid wash, designed to cleanse without removing oils or colour. Also softens hair, calms the scalp and adds dramatic shine. That's why I got it. I ordered a pure pine sculpting and firming sleeping oil by Cause. Oh, I know Cause. It's I don't think you can get it here. So I know it's a green brand, like in the States. It's probably why I ordered it, because there's an opportunity to get something I can't get here. An oil for putting on your face at night, which I thought would be quite good for me in the winter. So that was something I couldn't get here. And one of these, I've never seen that before, so that's quite good as well. The sponge and this wash and the Cause oil came with one bundle for $34, which is not a bad price for those three, is it? This was very cheap, and I thought it was a very nice palette. All these espresso colours. Espresso yourself. Light browns and autumny colours as well. You know, so there's some colours on this palette, and it's in good value through the Fabfitfun box. See those colours there? Lovely. It's got a bit of blues and oranges and the browns and the rusts, and the charcoals and the neutrals. Yeah, I was quite tempted with that, and it was a decent price as well. Something else in here, Taylor and Tessia Aspen. Oh, bracelet, that's right, yeah. Quite like this bracelet. You know, I'm very much into natural things, as in natural style, and this sort of thong type bracelet, leather type bracelet, don't know if it's real leather. Yeah, actually, it's real leather. It smells real leather. With the gold here, banding. That looked like it would, you know, it's a good bracelet for my kind of style, so tempted with that as well. A couple of lipsticks I got from Becca. They're a decent price. June and Tawny. So let's have a look. Nice package. So this one is the nude. My kind of colour. It's going to go well with the espresso palette. So now the Tawny. Get it out the box. Right. There's a Tawny. These are a little bit Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood range. I've got a couple like this, similar colours from there. So the bracelet, the sponge, the espresso palette, the 2 lipsticks, the oil, and the hair rinse. Plus, there is one other add-on bag because I have a new laptop. So there you go, laptop bag. This is by My Tagalongs, I believe is the brand. So it's nice padded, spongy for protection. There isn't an outside envelope, but that's fine, I don't need that. So yeah, happy with that. I think my laptop will go in it. Now the actual box itself. So the Fabfitfun box for the winter is this lovely blue, look. Lovely blue. And it seems to support of women's Alzheimer movement. So let's actually get into the box itself, shall we? Now, I like keeping these boxes, they're always so prettily decorated and they're very good for storage. A magazine inside, and that will tell you what's in sort of the about and how to use the products in this box. So you've got the editors, there's a list of products there. You know, it's quite an interesting magazine in support of the box, so as an ancillary item that actually gives you a bit of information. What else? I've got HelloFresh for the US, that's no good to me. We have HelloFresh over here, but it's a UK one. And I've also got a code I can give you guys, whether you're in the US, UK or Canada, for getting a £15 off your first box. And the boxes come at about a $200 value, so you get your box for $34.99, $200 worth, so $15 off your first box with my code that I can give you. Now, inside the box is beautifully wrapped here as well, but I've got to break that wrapping, haven't I? I've got to break it. What I have done is been able to actually choose what I want in certain categories. So, and now I chose this one. It's a candle. It's a scented candle by Jonathan Adler. Fleur de Sel scented candle. It's in a very nice jar here. Take the lid off. And that is a nice, you can't smell it. I'll give it to you to smell there, you can't smell it. That's not a Christmas scent. That is a scent for the spring and summer. Yeah, that's an all year round bathroomy type scent, that is. Very much a bathroomy. It's a bit like white linen, the spring candle. Very useful though, because we're running out of candles. Fairy slippers, I selected those. These just look lovely, so soft. Look at these, I've got to open them up now. These came in 2 sizes. So soft and nice. I'm looking forward to putting them on. Very chic, stylish, modern and practical. I can see them being borrowed in the house, not by John. I don't think he wouldn't fit them anyway, but I don't think he'll be borrowing them. Faux fur trim, cable slippers, very on trend. This is a bracelet, and I don't have many bracelets, certainly none like this. I was intrigued by this one, and yeah, it's got Swarovski crystals in as well, so it's going to be really pretty and dainty. Diary, I wanted that. I chose that. I know for sure I chose that. This is by Paper Source, I believe that's the name. Pretty diary anyway. So, yes. The sponge here is actually a brush cleaner. You don't need to use liquid with it. You just take any dirty makeup brush, swirl it over the sponge until the colour's completely removed, and then carry on applying your makeup with your brush. That is handy, that is handy. By Vera Mona. Makeup eraser. Didn't choose that, I'm sure I didn't choose that. I'm sure this is something that we're all getting. This work, makeup eraser. Works like a suction cup. Made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibres. 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair. Adheres to makeup and gently pulls it up and out of your skin. Ecological, simply repeat usable, cruelty-free, wash wash it 1 or 2 times a week. So an eco-friendly makeup remover. So with this cloth, what you do is dampen a section of it and use it on your face. You're not going to use the whole thing necessarily at the same time. So you dampen a bit to do your eyes, and then there's another side with longer fibres for exfoliation, so that's quite useful. So it's a two-sided product. Anyway, wash twice a day. Prep dry bar, a prime and prep detangler for the hair. That is something I don't think I chose. I think this is something we're all getting. Epsom salt hand and body wash. Again, I don't think that's something that I chose either. So my actual box, subscription box, is those 7 items. No, 8 items. I've got the slippers on. So 8 items, of which I chose the slippers. I chose the diary. I chose the candle. I chose the bracelet. It's a subscription box that you sign up for. The most frequent will be quarterly. I think you can sign up for just 1 box, but I signed up for quarterly, and in the UK that cost me, once it was translated into sterling, it was about £200 for the 4. So each box is approximately £50. When it's delivered, you're not returning anything. But you can, if you go for the annual subscription, as I did, you can self-select 5 items in the menu. So there are up to 5 categories, and each category has a selection of items. And in each category, if you are able to self-select because you've got the annual subscription, you can choose which item in that category you want. So in category 1, I chose the scarf, and each category has a different selection of items. And if you don't choose something, you can just go for a sort of lucky dip. They don't call it that, but that's basically what it is. They'll just send you an item. I think there were 7 items there. So 5 I'd self-selected, and 2 others were additional items that I didn't have an option to self-select. Very good value, actually. If what's on the menu is what you would want, what you need, what you like. So it really depends on the menu being good. So if you're going to use everything and it is what you would like, £50 not a bad price. But in addition to that, when they're just before they're packing your box, they give you an option to add on some other items that they've sourced elsewhere and pay extra for, that are deeply discounted. So if you've enjoyed my unboxing, then please do subscribe and give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.